Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Roblox error code 267. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type view network connections. Click on open it. Right click on where internet connection you are using. In my case I am using Ethernet and select properties. Select internet protocol version 4 and select properties. Select use the following DNS server addresses and type here 1111. In alternative DNS server type 1001 and click on OK to save changes and just close stuff here. Go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now check my video description for these two commands. Just copy and paste it one by one and press enter. After finishing this command, just to go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, you just need to go to search menu and type control panel, click on open it. Select view by to category and select uninstall a program. Search Roblox. Just right click on the Roblox player and select uninstall. After uninstalling it, just to close stuff here and open up browser. Search Roblox download. Select the first link. Select the download Windows app option. After getting download and install it, after the installation done, you can play the Roblox without having any problem. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.